Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn about Edit menu. In Edit menu, we are going to learn about Preferences. Now in Preferences, we have these tabs available. We won't be discussing all the tabs in detail, but sure enough, as a beginner, the tabs which you have to know. You'll learn that. So we have already done this language, which was default. Then we have done the default theme. You can choose any of the theme that you want over here. Theme is basically the interface skin that you have over here. That's the theme. So right now I have Humanity Dark. The image length per second. My image length per second is 10 seconds. That means if I place an image on the timeline, it would be for 10 seconds. Volume for the same is 75. Then you have the Blender command path. Then you have the advanced title editor path. We have already installed Inkscape. We have already installed Blender. All you need to do is tell OpenShot, where exactly these programs are. So what you need to do is just click on the browse button, Go to your program file where you have saved it. Right now I saved it away and go to Inkscape. Choose the application and then all you need to do is press the open button. That's how you set the path for these two things over here. Now Blender command path is basically used for advanced animated titles, and this title editor, it's basically used for simple titles over here. Next we have discussed profile, in detail. So these profiles are nothing but video settings. And these video settings basically depend upon the video that you are creating. In layman's language, they are like a template. So basically, if you say you are creating a YouTube video, you will go ahead and you will choose this profile. You have the sample rate for the audio, that's 4400. Then you have the default audio channels. You can go ahead and choose mono, stereo, surround. Whichever you want, you can choose from there. Basically, when you are creating it for YouTube, you can go ahead and choose mono, stereo, one of the two. We will stick to the default. Then I have the autosave option. Now, what do you mean by autosave option? Autosave option basically means your work will be automatically saved. When it will be automatically saved after 3 minutes, the history limit for the same, that means undo and redo. How many times can I do undo and redo? I can just go ahead and do this undo and redo for 50 times. Next we have the cache, then we have the debug, then we have the performance, which I won't be going in detail because I do not want to mess with the settings over here. Lastly, we have the keyboard, In keyboard, we have all the shortcuts related with OpenShot command. So all you need to do is memorize them so it makes your work easy. About OpenShot, it's Control and H when you want to add a marker. It's Control and M when you want to add a track. It's Control Shift and D when you want to add to timeline. It's Control and W. So animated title, it's Control and V. You can go ahead and you can change all these keys over here according to your convenience. So it solely depends upon you. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.